Hi guys, I'm going to just show you how to enter some data into your calculator using the ti-84. So if you get your ti-84, I'm going to refer to page 22 of the PSD packet. I believe this was the last page that was assigned today. Today is the 16th, April 16th. So what you're going to do is you are going to hit the stat key here, statistics key, and it's highlighted number 1, which is the edit key, which is what we want. You're going to hit enter. Now I've already entered city A in here. If you do have something in the list, the way you clear it is you would go up to the top of the list you're trying to clear, and then you would hit clear, and then you arrow down and it'll clear it for you. I'm not going to do it right now because I want to use this list for you. So once you have that in L1, you're going to list. So what I did was using city A on page 22. It says the temperature was 80 degrees with a frequency of 3. That means 3 times. So you're going to type in 80 and hit enter. And every time you hit enter, it's going to go to the next space. So I typed in 80 3 times, and each time I would hit enter. And then when you get to 79, you're going to hit that, and you've got to type in 79 14 times. So you'll see that I did that. 78, you're going to type in twice, and 77 once, and 76 once. Okay, so you should have a total of 21 numbers in here. So I'll go down to the bottom here so you can kind of see that. You'll see L1 in this list. The 21st entry was 76. So I know, and I added them up from the frequency column, that I had 21 entries. So I know at least I have those in there. Okay, so then in order to find standard deviation, which is what this question is asking you, what you're going to do is you're going to hit the second. I'm going to hit second. Try that again. Second mode, because I want to just get back to this screen. So I'm going to hit second stat. I'm going to arrow over to the math key, the math option, and I want standard deviation, which is number 7 here. So I'm going to type in the number 7. And then it's asking you the standard deviation of what list. So I put it in the first list. So I'm going to hit second, because that's the blue button. And then if you look down here at number 1, above it, see in blue, it says L1. So that will represent list 1. You can close the parentheses or not. That won't matter in this case. And then hit enter. And it gives me the standard deviation, which was the standard deviation for city A. And I rounded it to the thousandths place, 0.928. And you'll see that on my answer key on Canvas. Then you'll do the same thing, but you're going to do it now for, I'm going to hit edit, and we're going to do it for city B. So what you're going to do is arrow over and then start typing in city B. So city B has 80 degrees 6 times, 79 degrees 3 times. You're going to type those in. And again, once you type those in order to get that standard deviation, you're going to hit second, and then you're going to hit that stat key, and you're going to arrow over to math, and you'll see number 7 is standard deviation. So you would hit 7, but this time, oh, sorry, see, I forgot to exit out of here. So let's clear that out of there. Let's hit second, second mode to get out. So now I'm going to hit second and my stat key. I'm going to arrow over to math. I want number 7, the standard deviation. But this time I would type in second and then go to 2 for list 2 if that's where you typed it. Now mine won't show anything because I didn't put anything in that list. But I want to show you what you're going to do. Okay, now keep in mind that you can find other things using this. So when you enter some data, if I hit second stat and I go arrow over to math, you can see I can find the minimum, the maximum, which that was already there because we could see the highest and the lowest number. They were in order. But I could also find the mean, which is the average, the median, which is the middle number. Sum just means they would add it all up for you real quick. Okay, so those are the ones that are the most common ones that you would want to see on your calculator. So I hope this helped.